Hey y'all, just do my run, daily run. It's raining out. Just want to do a little reminder to y'all that the weather can be bad sometimes. Don't let it stop you from getting after it every day. There's many things in life that are very they just trying to stop us from wanting us to go out and grind, make you feel lazy, make you feel weak. You gotta push after it. Don't listen to that voice in your head. Get after it and keep training hard. Do the things that are difficult. Those are gonna be the things that reap a lot of rewards. I didn't want to go out and go for a run right now. I just finished a big workout and it was raining. I was tired, but I went out and I got after it anyway. Goes to show that anybody can go out and do this. It's not that difficult. You just have to push yourself to do it. And you realize when you're out here, it's not too bad. Whew. Now what I was thinking about was, before I went out to this run, and I didn't feel like doing it, I thought about my future self after the run. Just like, 20 minutes later, 15 minutes later, I knew my future self would be proud that I went out and got after it. Small victories like this pile up after a while and you'll see how much progress you can get, and it's quite incredible. So take the small victories, push yourself, and keep going. Thanks for watching. See you next time.